Here we have a 2015 Rinker 276 bow rider. 301 hours on it. Has a Merc Cruiser 350 mag. Stainless steel dual props. Marine mat on the swim platform. The walk-through and throughout the whole boat. The arch with the bimini. Lots of seating, sink, bolster, captain's chairs, tilt steering, Ray Marine, fusion stereo system, depth finder, fully enclosed head, that's where the table stores. Does have a windscreen. Close that in your windshield and it'll keep you warmer in the evenings when it gets cool out. Lots of seating in the bow. Speakers. Another ladder and anchor storage. Storage in the floor. This boat is yacht certified. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's in Antioch, Illinois.